If you want a quick, flavorful stir fry in minutes, let's make garlic bok choy. We'll start off by heating our pan, then adding a splash of neutral oil plus a touch of sesame oil for flavor. We'll add in our minced garlic and saute until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Make sure not to burn the garlic. Now comes time to add in our bok choy. What I did is I went ahead and cut off the fat base, separated the leaves, and washed thoroughly, making sure there's no dirt on the bok choy. You have to make sure water gets between the leaves and really clean each of the bok choy leaves. Add the bok choy stems and leaves together. Keep the heat at medium-high so the stems cook while the leaves stay tender. There's no need to cover the pan. If you keep it open, the bok choy will be crisp and bright green. Now season with salt, black pepper powder, and a splash of soy sauce. Give everything a really good mix and let this cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Again, we do not need to cover this. Keep the gas at medium. Cook until the leaves are wilted and the stems are crisp and tender. At the end, I like to sprinkle some sesame seeds for extra flavor and crunch, and that's it. Quick, healthy garlic bok choy is ready in minutes. Be sure to save this video and subscribe for more quick and tasty recipes just like this, and let me know in the comments what I should cook next.